Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this video, we're going to go over the graphic organizer and mastery check for Lesson 4 on Latin American revolutions. You should have learned all the basic information about Latin American revolutions. We looked at Haiti and Mexico. You should have analyzed a specific primary source and analyzed and written some evaluations of your evidence here. And now you're on part 3, which is graphic organizer. Now, similar to how we've done with the previous 2 lessons, you'll see positive outcomes of Latin American revolutions and negative outcomes of Latin American revolutions in a T-chart. Your job is to fill in at least one positive outcome and at least one negative outcome. You are welcome to do more, and this would help you going forward, but the minimum requirement is to fill in one of each. Something that was positive that came out of the revolution, and something that was negative. For the mastery check, again, similar to how we've written before, you're going to be demonstrating your understanding of our ATL skills. They're listed over here on the right by using the ACES format that we have been practicing in class and in these mastery checks. You'll explain your position by answering the question, citing evidence, and explaining how your evidence supports your answer. The prompt, similarly, is, did Latin American revolutions produce more positive or more negative outcomes? You have a place to answer the question, cite your evidence, and explain how your evidence supports your answer. Your teacher will be using the following chart to grade you, so feel free to check that out. Finally, don't forget to connect your writing that you do in the mastery check here to a theme of world history. Where do I find the themes of world history? I'm going to go back to my lesson 1, and I'm going to find at the top of lesson 1 themes of world history. We did a brief review. So all you need to do is write one of these 5 that you think your writing connects to. You'll just write it in this box. If you have any further questions, be sure to check with your teacher. Good luck!